Academies impacted me as a teacher because it allowed me to move my kids further.
Today's training has been truly eye-awakening, from the engaging strategies on how to use the manipulatives in my classroom to make it fun again, to all the other ways that I can use models, from the concrete models to the abstract models, for my students to be able to understand the concepts that we're learning.
So this training has helped expand my understanding of numerical relationships because it gives us that opportunity to dig into the actual strategies.
So it's definitely enhanced the experience of students being able to solve problems utilizing the CRA process. Helps students actually create the foundation of what it takes to solve a problem. For example, if you're looking at the concrete, students are physically getting something that's tangible in their hand that they can count. Then of course, we're transitioning to the pictorial. Can we draw a model, strip diagram, place value charts? And then of course, it leads us to the ultimate, where we want them to be, which is the abstract. Many times we try to skip those two and go straight to the abstract, but it's important to create the foundation, which is the concrete.
Help me with the strategies that's new, to teach the kids how to get to where I am, because a lot of kids aren't getting where I am with the strategies that we're all using. So that's why the Math Academies, to me, was such a great investment. They helped.
I thoroughly enjoyed the breakdown when we went into content with our specific grade levels. It's always great to bounce ideas off of other colleagues within the field or within the same grade level. To see what their perspective is, how they approach the problem, what the internalization of the lesson was. So the group planning and the collaborative effort was great today.